It's a pleasure to have you with me again. In the vibrant heart of Nigeria, a nation bustling with energy and potential, a revolution is taking shape. I mean a revolution that will reshape our transportation landscape, purify our air, and safeguard our planet. The future of mobility is here in 2024. Welcome to the channel where we discuss all investment opportunities in our global village. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Meanwhile, perhaps you are wondering what I'm talking about. Well, it is about a sleek, futuristic Saglev EV car gliding silently through a bustling Nigerian city. And it is made in Nigeria. And yes, Saglev is committed to local manufacturing and has set up an assembly plant in Ikorodu, Lagos State. This facility produces EVs tailored to the Nigerian roads and climate, ensuring optimal performance and durability. With an initial capacity of 2,500 units per year, Saglev is poised to expand its production and meet the increasing demand for electric vehicles. Okay, before I soldier on, I want to emphasize that I am not receiving any financial compensation or have received any incentives from Saglev management for creating this video. Now, let's turn our attention to the mastermind behind this project. Sam Falaye, the visionary founder of Saglev, was foiled by a deep concern for the environment, and he decided to shape a sustainable future for Africa. He recognizes the transformation potential of electric vehicles. Falaye's ambition goal was to make clean, efficient, and affordable EV the norms in Nigeria. Above all, he wants to cut and reduce reliance on fossil fuels, which is the PMS. In my opinion, and I think you agree with me, that the Saglev production plan has the potential to be a catalyst for economic development. In effect, the project will enhance job creation, enhance economic expansion, and decrease reliance on fossil fuel import through the cultivation of the domestic electric vehicles industry. Wow. Okay. Shifting gears, let's explore the driving forces behind the automotive revolution. With electric vehicles steadily gaining traction, it's natural to wonder about the fate of traditional petroleum and diesel engine cars. Okay, now, you see, petrol and diesel cars rely on fossil fuel, petrol or diesel, to power their engines. Now, let us examine the configuration of the petrol and diesel engine. Okay, listen to this. You see, the combustion of these fuels generate energy, which is then converted into mechanical energy to propel the vehicle. Consequently, this process involves complex systems like fuel injection, ignition, and exhaust systems. However, unlike traditional vehicles, electric vehicles employ electric motors powered by rechargeable batteries. The electric energy stored in the battery is converted into mechanical energy, which propels the vehicle. This simpler design, with fewer moving parts and minimal maintenance requirements, contribute to EV efficiency and environmental friendliness. Wow. Impressive indeed. You see, in addition, petrol and diesel cars contribute to air pollution by emitting greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and other harmful pollutants, while electric vehicles produce zero tailpipe emission, making them significantly cleaner. And thanks for subscribing to the channel. And if you have not, please subscribe. I'm waiting for you. Okay, thank you. Now let us look at the cost of ownership. For petrol and diesel cars, the initial purchase cost can be lower, but ongoing fuel costs can be significant, and maintenance costs can be higher due to complexity of the engine. Electric vehicles, while the initial purchase price may be higher, long-term savings are significant due to lower running costs, including cheaper electricity and reduced maintenance needs. Government incentives and subsidy can further offset the upfront costs in certain regions. Yep. I believe you understand why battery-powered electric vehicles are a superior choice. Going forward, you see, Saglev EV cars are designed with several key features to suit the needs of emerging Nigerian market. Let's have a look at them. One, safety features. Saglev prioritized safety features in its vehicle, including robust construction, advanced braking system, and stability control. Two, advanced technology. Latest feature. Saglev vehicles come equipped with latest technology, including advanced information infotainment system, like information system, and efficient electric motors. Wow. Three, comfortable interior. The cars are designed with comfortable interiors, seating, and modern amenities to enhance driving experience. Wow, incredible indeed. Now, zero emission. Saglev EV produce zero tailpipe emission, contributing to the cleaner air and reduce carbon footprint. The question is the car affordable? Aha, good question. Saglev is committed to making EVs accessible by offering competitive pricing that rivals low-cost second-hand vehicles. In addition, Saglev is committed to making EV ownership a reality for more people by offering flexible financing options. You see, above all, Saglev's EV are designed to withstand the challenge of local road condition and weather pattern, meaning it is very durable. This is good news. You see, the Nigerian government is actively promoting the adoption of electric vehicles through various initiatives. You want to ask me how? Okay, listen to this. Energy Transition Plan, ETP. This plan set ambitious targets for EV adoption, aiming for 60% of the total market by 2050 and 100% by 2060. We also have National Action Plan for Development of Electric Vehicles, EVDP. This plan targets at least 30% local production of EV by 2032, stimulating domestic EV manufacturing. Incentive and policies. The government is exploring various incentives such as tax breaks and import duty reduction to make EV more avoidable for consumers. Infrastructure development. Investments are being made to expand the charging infrastructure network across the country, ensuring convenient charging access for EV owners. Wow. This is incredible. You will agree with me. That said, okay, what potential obstacle might Saglev encounter? Good question. Unreliable power supply. Yes, the country power grid is often unstable, which can hinder the adoption of EV, especially for home charging. Supply chain and local manufacturing. Dependency on import. Nigerian currency rely heavily on import EV components, which can lead to supply chain disruption and higher costs. Lack of local manufacturing capacity. Developing a local EV manufacturing industry requires significant investment and technical expertise. Yes, we know that. Okay, moving forward, what strategies is Saglev implementing to mitigate these challenges? Okay, first, addressing infrastructure. The federal government has promised a 24/7 uninterrupted power supply within the next year. This will boost EV car in Nigeria. Local manufacturing and supply chain. Local assembly and manufacturing. Saglev is investing in local assembly and manufacturing facilities to reduce reliance on imported components and create jobs. Supply partnership. The company is forging partnership with local suppliers to establish a robust domestic supply chain for EV components. Very impressive indeed. So, what is the outlook for Saglev and electric vehicles in Nigeria? Okay, and this is my opinion. The future of Saglev and electric vehicles in Nigeria holds significant potential with increasing government support, growing consumer awareness, and advancement in technology. The EV car is poised for growth. However,